Okay, this is Liz's litter. Okay, there's McCoy. Chocolate Merle, male, very rare. CKC registered. Mocha is the dad and Liz is the mother. Beautiful markings. Nice chocolate Merle. My other male is Jax. He's a big male. He's the biggest one in the litter. Let's see how much bigger he is than the rest. Big chocolate male. This is Cinnamon. She's a lighter chocolate Merle, female. Very smart. Very athletic. They've been playing a while. Now they're tired. Okay, and the other Merle is Apollina here. It's Apollina. Oh, Apollina. Chocolate Merle. Female. Very rare. CKC. This is little Zipper. A little chocolate female. She's the smallest. She's not real small, but she's small. What are you doing? Are you showing off? And this is Clover. She's the other chocolate. And that's Blackberry. I think she's sold. Okay, so puppies, come over here. Yeah, puppies. Good puppies. Yeah, they listen really good. Come on, guys. Over here to your toys. Oh, yes. There's the toys. You go, Clover. Okay, let's play. Oh, he says we're too tired. We've been playing. I think these puppies will skateboard if a person works with them a little bit. We played with them just a little bit with the skateboards, and they seem to be pretty interested in them. Okay, once again, this is Apollina, Cinnamon, Zipper, McCoy, Dottie, and Jax. You guys see the skateboard? Yeah? You guys like the skateboard, huh? Is this one more your size? Alright, I'm going to call them to me. Puppies, come here. Come on, puppies. Come on. See how good they're listening already? Come on. Come on, guys. Good puppies. Good puppies. Come on. You're all here.